Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
A Cooking Show Episode 3, Street Food Adventures, Thailand Edition. This is just to pretend. We don't imply anything or anyone. Let's start the show.
Katie, and welcome back to another tantalizing episode of Street Food Adventures, Thailand Edition. Today, we're diving deep into the vibrant and bustling world of Thailand's street food scene. Joining me in the kitchen is our special guest, Chef Marco from Italy, here to experience the bold flavors of Thailand's culinary treasures.
Hi, Katie. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here and explore the exciting world of Thai street food.
We're thrilled to have you, Marco. Today, we're going to take our taste buds on a journey through some of Thailand's most beloved street food delights. First up, we have the iconic Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. I've heard so much about this dish. I'm excited to see how it's made.
Indeed. Pad Thai is a quintessential Thai street food dish featuring stir-fried rice noodles with a tantalizing combination of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. We'll start by stir-frying the noodles with tofu, shrimp, bean sprouts, and a special blend of tamarind sauce and spices.
It sounds absolutely delicious. I can't wait to taste it.
Next on our culinary adventure, we'll be indulging in another Thai street food favorite, Sum Tum, or spicy green papaya salad.
Spicy green papaya salad? That sounds intriguing. I'm curious to see how the flavors come together.
It's a delightful blend of shredded green papaya, tomatoes, carrots, peanuts, and chili peppers, all tossed in a tangy dressing made from lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar. It's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors.
Sounds like a flavor explosion. I'm ready to give it a try.
Last but certainly not least, we'll be wrapping up our culinary journey with a classic Thai dessert, mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice. I've had it before, and it's one of my favorite Thai desserts. I'm curious to see how it's made from scratch.
We'll start by steaming the glutinous rice until it's perfectly tender. Then we'll top it with ripe, juicy mango slices and drizzle it with a sweet coconut sauce made from coconut milk and palm sugar.
It's making my mouth water just thinking about it. I can't wait to dig in.
Well, Marco, get ready to embark on a culinary adventure unlike any other as we explore the vibrant and delicious world of Thailand's street food delights.
Thank you so much for having me, Katie. I'm thrilled to be here and experience the flavors of Thailand firsthand.
Stay tuned, dear viewers, as we take a deep dive into the tantalizing world of Thai street food on this episode of Street Food Adventures, Thailand Edition. Bye-bye and see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.